Hi, this is Meg. I'm sewing today. I bought this little sewing machine for $27 off the internet. It's called Smartek. Smartek. It's very handy. And I looked at some of the, what do you call them? With the testimonials where they say whether or not they like the product. Comments. It had both. It's not a full-blown machine. You're going to have times where things that it's not going to do. But this little thin material and other materials are great with it. And, like I said before, it's portable. See, this is not heavy at all.
Show them the foot pedal.
Oh, and the foot pedal, this is right here. See? So, that down there the right way. That's not the right way. Oops. We're bobbing the bobbin for our little Smartek. Okay? This is the little sewing machine I told you about earlier. Okay, now you have to bob the bobbin. So I'm going to push that on there real good. Wind the bobbin. You go counterclockwise. Should be going over counterclockwise, so that you have to figure that out for yourselves, because that's kind of tricky. If it goes the wrong way, you know it's wrong. If it spins upon it starts adding more string, it's right. So it's adding, and I've got it over here. Honey, bring that around here. Or I'll just zoom in on that. I hold it. It says hold it. I don't know for how long. But I guess you do it all through the thing because there's no tension here. I think this is right. Okay, here we go. There's this button. It says on and off. It's for the bobbin bobber. I'm going to go back and do it. Okay, I might want to mention that you have to take the bobbin out of here plus the bobbin casing out of here, I think. I'm not so sure if you have to take the bobbin casing out, but we will. So, there. Alright, see y'all later.